Meaning of induction.
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 Induction. Induction is the process of inferring general principles or conclusions based on specific observations or examples. It involves moving from particular instances to broader generalizations, often through the use of reasoning and logical deduction. The induction process is commonly used in scientific research to formulate new hypotheses and theories, and it is also used in everyday life to make predictions and informed decisions. Overall, induction allows us to draw meaningful connections between seemingly disparate pieces of information and arrive at a deeper understanding of the world around us.